Project Anthill. In Project Anthill, a multi-layered city is constructed deep beneath the entire city of Singapore. A city deep underground is impervious to virtually all hostile attacks above ground. In addition, the deep underground serves as a barrier of protection from natural disaster. Structures are safe from earthquakes, as the effects of tremors are significantly reduced below the surface. The entire city is protected and completely safe, even from major disasters such as typhoons and tsunami. With unlimited capacity to expand, the massive underground city will easily accommodate the entire city on the surface. However, protecting the lives and assets of the people of Singapore does not mean simply protecting the structural integrity of the city itself. Its functions as a business hub must also be protected. Within the core of the fortified underground facility, a system is constructed for storing and managing high-security information and materials for the government, affiliated organizations, and corporations. For example, by relocating the entire information systems of the government and corporations to a data center constructed deep underground, information, one of the most valued assets of any organization, is well protected. In the United States and Japan, it is already a common practice for governments and IT-related companies to store data in underground data centers. As a premier international financial center, assuring the protection and security of information systems is unquestionably a high national priority. In this industry in which protection is valued at a high premium, Singapore is in a unique position to lead the global financial industry in commitment to absolute protection. Impenetrable defense is not the only advantage realized by Project Anthill. Singapore depends on imports for almost all food, water, and energy. That can change, as Project Anthill will generate energy and resources through underground development based on leading-edge technology and business operations in underground facilities. Leading-edge waste disposal processing is enabled utilizing the Magman system. A 3,000 degrees Celsius super high-temperature furnace decomposes a vast array of wastes, reducing it to recyclable raw materials for steel and copper. A large-scale desalination plant is constructed to generate abundant water resources from seawater. And by tapping into this new source of water, the project will produce food in the underground facilities, utilizing leading-edge technology for indoor agriculture and aquaculture. Additionally, Project Anthill enables the production of enormous amounts of energy utilizing the Magman system. And this new source of energy will enable vast underground facilities with the capacity to operate every imaginable industry. Facilities built in a deep underground location and equipped with the latest technology will create opportunities to realize new industries, once considered infeasible to operate in Singapore. The combination of deep underground energy, agriculture, and aquaculture systems forms an infrastructure that enables the cultivation of new and profitable opportunities, and at the same time eliminates the need to rely on imported goods. A new space beneath Singapore is not the only thing that is created. The large volume of earth and sand generated from underground development will enable the sea to be reclaimed to create more land. In other words, the larger the underground city, the greater the expansion of land. In fact, it is entirely possible to double the land area of Singapore in the future. Not only could this solve the current land shortage issues in Singapore, new territory would become available for more economic development. Land development will generate many rights and interests. Project Anthill is a fortified city that is robust and self-sufficient and is capable of responding to any imaginable event in the future. And an ideal industrial and commercial city with high economic potential. Singapore, with its status solidified as a business hub in Asia, must reinvent itself as the most secure and fortified city in the world in order to take the next step to prosperity and become a world business hub that can safely and efficiently operate a financial service market currently valued at $190 trillion. As a premier international financial center, it is Singapore's obligation as a nation to rise to this challenge. This national-scale project will generate many new rights and interests. It will ensure that those who commit to protecting Singapore and proactively contribute to the progress of the project are rewarded in many ways. City planning with unlimited possibilities. The future of the world's safest and most robust global business hub. Project Anthill.